Hi, and welcome back to Positano on the Amalfi coast. I am Danilo Romolini, and today we are about to discover together one of the most particular and iconic properties of this place. This property is so unique and special that you can only reach it by boat. And that's what we're about to do. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Located on a unique position right next to the beach of Fornillo, carved on the cliff of Positano with direct sea access. Welcome to Torre Clavel. The tower, as we see it today, was built around 1582, and its peculiar pentagonal shape is probably derived from a pre-existing Norman fortification. The tower became, in the 1920s, a meeting point for artists, writers and painters, like, for example, Picasso and Marinetti. Nowadays, the property has been divided into different units, and they all have a magical view of Positano and the glittering sea. Today, we will see together this unit you see right behind me. It is 2 floors with 200 square meters of internal space, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It starts with this gorgeous terracotta paved terrace that has an incredible view right in front of it. It also has direct access to the first floor of the villa and to all of the bedrooms. As you walk inside, you have this feeling of being inside a cave. These exposed stone walls, in fact, have been carved into the rock, uncovering this impressive texture and keeping the villa very fresh in the summer days. The first floor of the villa extends as follows. There are 3 bedrooms, all connected by this stone corridor and by the terrace we've seen earlier. There is the first one over here, which is connected with a bathroom in the middle, and on the other side to another bedroom also used as an office space. Whereas in the end, there is another one with its ensuite bathroom. Stepping down these stairs, we get to the ground floor, mostly dedicated to living spaces, and for sure, characterized by this impressive stone loggia. As we keep walking from the loggia, we arrive to a hallway that brings on the right to the kitchen and in the end to a room currently used as a storage. Siamo ora arrivati alla fine del video di oggi. Spero che questa proprietà speciale vi sia piaciuta e che la magia di Positano vi abbia fatto sentire a casa. Ci vediamo la prossima volta, a presto, ciao!